Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rumela, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys some of the best sunscreens that are available in India. But before we get into the actual video, I want to give you guys a little bit of information about sunscreen. Alright, so it's very important to wear a sunscreen all throughout the year, no matter what the weather is, whether it's gloomy or sunny or rainy. No matter the weather, you need to wear a sunscreen every single day, even if you are indoors. Sun's rays do come inside from the doors and windows, and even that can cause harm to your skin. And also the blue light from your phone, laptop and all of that can really harm your skin and cause aging and all of that. So you need to wear a sunscreen every single day. So if you ask me for a basic skincare routine, it's not going to be just cleansing, toning, moisturizing. It's going to be cleansing, toning, moisturizing and sunscreen. You can seriously skip the toner, but cleansing, moisturizing and sunscreen is a must. Now if you are indoors, an SPF 30 would suffice, but if you are stepping out, make sure you use SPF 50 and above, because that protects your that provides a 97% protection from the harmful UVA and UVB rays. So make sure you use an SPF 50, SPF 60, something of that sort. SPF 50 is perfect. Also make sure you apply the sunscreen on your lips and under your eyes as well. You can use a lip balm that has SPF as well, but lip balms usually come with SPF 15 or 30. So if you are stepping out, make sure you use the sunscreen itself on your lips and then top it off with a lip balm or your lipstick. Now the main reason a lot of people wear sunscreen when they step outside is because their skin gets tanned, but that is not the only harm that sun's rays cause. They cause a lot of issues like dark spots, sunspot, discoloration, pigmentation, uneven skin tone. They also cause fine lines and wrinkles, and they can also cause skin cancer. That's how harmful sun rays are. So you need to protect your skin. Also always dab your sunscreen into your skin rather than massaging it, because some sunscreens do cause irritation when you massage them into the skin. The Neutrogena one does that. So I use the dabbing motion and it works really well. So just pat the sunscreen into your skin until it's completely absorbed. It will take a couple of minutes, but this method will ensure that there is no irritation on the skin at all. Also make sure you reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours if you are outside, but if you are indoors, you'll have to reapply it only 4 to 5 hours. So that was all the information that I had to give. With that being said, let's dive into some of the best sunscreens that are available in India. Before we get into the sunscreens that are amongst the best sunscreens in India, I wanted to mention that I have used a sunscreen that is loved by a lot of people, but it did not work well for me. It is the Neutrogena Dry Touch sunscreen. Now a lot of people rave about this particular sunscreen, but I only apply this underneath my makeup. I think that's the only way I can make this work. If I apply this just after moisturizing, this leaves my skin really oily. Also I sweat a lot after I apply this sunscreen. Also they say that it's water resistant and sweat resistant and all of that, but it's not. When I wash my face after I apply this sunscreen, like an hour after I apply this, it does come off. And also this one caused a little bit of irritation for me when I massage this into my skin, but when I pat it into my skin, it does not cause any irritation. Also if I apply this under my eyes, it does burn my eyes very badly. So I don't apply this under my eyes. I just since I got this sunscreen, I wanted to use it up somehow, and it works really well underneath makeup. So when I'm going out, then I apply this and then I apply my makeup over that, and then I don't sweat. So that's the only way I can make this one work. So I am not the biggest fan of this sunscreen. It did not work well for me at all, and it's not going to be in my favorites list. So just putting it out. Alright, so I'm not going to go in any particular order. I do have a bunch of sunscreens lying down here with me. So the first sunscreen that I have here is the Lactocalamine Daily Sunshield sunscreen. This one has SPF 50 PA+++, which protects you from UVA and UVB. Now the SPF factor protects you from UVB, and the PA factor, it protects you from UVA rays. So make sure your sunscreen has SPF plus PA+++ at least 3+, so that you get maximum protection from UVA rays as well. Now this one they say is for oily skin types, but honestly I feel that this one can be used by all skin types, because this is not very matte and also not very greasy. It is just in between, so it is like a lightweight moisturizer. It moisturizes your skin plus provides the SPF factor. I am from the dry skin type, the dry to normal skin type, and I absolutely love this. Also, this is dermatologically tested, paraben free, so this is a great sunscreen. This one does have fragrance, so if you are very sensitive to fragrance, then you might not want to use this, but again this is very affordable. I don't remember the price of all the sunscreens, but I will leave them on the screen. This one retails for 350 rupees, but I got this for 175 rupees, that is on 50% off. So if you ever get this for 50% off, grab this one, because this is a steal at 175. I think you will never find such a good sunscreen at such an affordable price. So if you are looking for a very good affordable sunscreen, if you're a teenager or if you're someone on a budget, then this sunscreen is really great. Also, SPF 50 can be worn indoors as well, so it's not an issue. You can wear this indoors, outdoors, anywhere. This will give you the protection that you need. Now this one does have a slight pink tint to it, and it gets absorbed into the skin really well. It does not leave a white cast. Now all the sunscreens that I'm going to recommend in today's video have minimal to no white cast, which will fade away in like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, in 2 minutes. So none of these sunscreens have any white cast. You guys can see this one is not very matte. It is kind of moisturizing, but it's not very oily or greasy as well. I absolutely love this one. Also, this sunscreen is a kind of an emotional sunscreen for me, because it has the typical lactocalamine fragrance to it, and it takes me back to my childhood days when I used to steal my nanny's lactocalamine and apply it on my face. It has the exact same texture as well. That one was a little bit more watery. This is a little bit more thick, but the fragrance and the color, everything is very similar. So if you are on a lookout for a great affordable sunscreen, then definitely try this one. The next sunscreen I have here is the Pond's SPF 30 sunscreen. Now again, this one is very affordable, but also so good. This is a non-oily sunscreen, and it does it does have like a matte finish to it. Once you apply it on the face, it will dry down completely matte. Like in a minute your skin will be completely matte, like you don't have anything on the face. Also, this is water resistant. I did wash my face with plain water a couple of hours after I used this, and this did not come off or anything. So that is one great thing. This one has SPF 30, again PA+++, so great for daily use. If you are indoors, if you're working on your laptop, on your phone all the time, then this is a great sunscreen. Like, it's a great indoor sunscreen. Now this one helps to prevent 5 sun damages, that is skin darkening, redness, uneven skin tone, dark spots, fine lines. So obviously whatever a sunscreen provides. And then this one retails for just 199 rupees. I think this is the most affordable from the lot, so that is why I absolutely love it. If you are again a teenager or someone on a budget, then this is a great sunscreen. Also, again, this one has the typical Pond's fragrance to it, but this one is completely matte. And once you massage this into your skin for 30 seconds to a minute, this will settle into your skin really well, and after a minute you won't even feel like you have a sunscreen on your face. That's how matte this is. Again, this is one of my favorite sunscreens. Also, this one is dermatologically tested and for all skin types, because even though this has a matte finish to it, it will not dry your skin down or anything. I am from the dry skin type and I absolutely love it. Also, this has a matte finish, so that is a great thing. So all in all, a very affordable plus a great sunscreen. This next one is an OG. It is the Episoft AC SPF 30 sunscreen. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know how much I love this sunscreen. It is a lightweight moisturizer that also has SPF 30 in it, so this is what I use on a daily basis. This is again recommended by a lot of dermats because this is a fragrance free, paraben free, free from all the chemicals and all of that. It is a very simple moisturizer that also has an SPF 30 sun protection factor of 30, and it also it is a broad spectrum sunscreen, so it will protect you from UVA and UVB. It is non-comedogenic, and it is just a fuzz free sunscreen. If you are someone who has really sensitive acne, prone oily skin type, then you can close your eyes and get your hands on this one. This will not break you out, it will not irritate your skin, it will it will just do the job really well without irritating your skin at all. So if you are someone who has like super sensitive skin and you are scared to use just over the counter sunscreens like the Pond's and the lactocalamine one and all that, then you can get your hands on this one. This is again very lightweight. I'll show you guys the this is more like a lotion, but it also has an SPF. When you massage this into your skin, it almost feels like you are massaging water. So that's how lightweight this is. So if you are from the oily skin type, you will love this moisturizer. This is my second tube and it's going to get over in a week, not even a week I guess. That is how much I love this sunscreen. This is a little bit on the expensive side, but this is absolutely beautiful for daily use. So if you are someone who would not mind investing just 5 to 600 rupees on a sunscreen for daily use, then definitely try your hands on this one. The next sunscreen I have here is something that I discovered very recently and I've fallen in love with. It is the Earth Rhythm SPF 50 Sun Fluid. Now this is such a beautiful sunscreen. Firstly, let's take a moment and appreciate the packaging. It is a very luxurious packaging. It is a glass bottle, so it's very heavy. You feel like you're using a luxury product. That's the feel of this. Also it comes with a pump, which is my favorite, so that's again something I absolutely love. Now this one has SPF 50, SPF 50 and PA++++, so 4 pluses. So it has a really high amount of protection. So the ingredient list does not mention any fragrance, so I'm assuming this is fragrance free, but it's not written fragrance free anywhere, so I'm not 100% sure. Also this one is non-comedogenic, won't clog pores and all of that. But oh my god, this is such a beautiful sunscreen. It will not leave a white cast. It is hydrating, so if you are from the dry skin type, you will absolutely love this sunscreen. It is kind of like a thick lotion. This is the texture of the sunscreen. It absorbs into your skin very quickly and there's no white cast at all. It is really hydrating, so if you are someone from the dry skin type, then you will love this sunscreen. Also if you are from the normal skin type, you will love this sunscreen again. They also have an SPF 30 variant. If you are looking for a sunscreen from Earth Rhythm that you could wear daily, then you can try the SPF 31 out, but I absolutely love this one. Now this one is a little bit expensive. It retails for somewhere around 700 rupees, but you can definitely get a 20% off of their website. There are a lot of codes available from different bloggers. Also they put up sales every month, so you can always grab this for around 500 rupees. I got mine for around that price range, so I think this is definitely a steal for 500 rupees. So yeah, this was another favorite sunscreen of mine. The next sunscreen I have here is the UV Dukes sunscreen. Now this one again has SPF 50 PA+++. It is oil free, matte finish, water resistant and not comedogenic, and it's true to all the claims. It is oil free. It is very matte. Again, this is another sunscreen that when you apply it on your face, you won't even feel that you've applied something. It has a very silicone-y texture to it, somewhat like a primer. So the texture of a silicone primer, that is exactly the texture of this one, and it will absorb into your skin in seconds and there is no white cast. It is completely matte, so you can just wear this sunscreen and go out and your skin will look really great just by applying this sunscreen. So if you don't want to wear any makeup, you can just apply this sunscreen, some tint, and you can go out, and this will not that you should go out because it's lockdown, you shouldn't, but I'm just saying in future, if whenever you go out, you can just apply the sunscreen, some tint, and you can go out and it will not make your skin oily, greasy, anything of that sort. A very beautiful sunscreen. Also it kind of brightens your skin is what I feel. It does not feel greasy or anything, so that is why I've fallen in love with this sunscreen. Again, this is something that I discovered very recently, I think a couple of months back, and I've fallen in love with it. This one is again again on the expensive side, somewhere around 700 rupees, but it's worth every penny, you guys. If you buy this sunscreen, you won't regret it no matter what. Also, this will suit every skin type. This does have fragrance in it, but it is very very mild, and again, this is something that is recommended by a lot of dermats. So you can just close your eyes and get your hands on this sunscreen, and I'm sure you will fall in love. The last sunscreen I have here is a recommendation for men out there. It is the Beardo Ultra Glow SPF 30 sunscreen. Now this one is SPF 30, so it would be ideal to wear indoors. You can wear this outdoors, but I think you'll have to reapply this every hour or so, and no one has that much time on hand, so you can definitely wear this indoors. I really love the formula of this one. It is very very lightweight. It almost disappears into the skin in a minute, and it does not leave any white cast again. Now this one is perfumed. It has a very strong fragrance to it, but this is a great sunscreen. My brother uses this on a daily basis and he really loves it. So if you are looking for a sunscreen for men, then this would be a great sunscreen to wear on a daily basis. Now this one is free from parabens and phthalates, and it also provides a UVA and UVB protection, which is a great thing. Also, this is more of a moisturizer, so you can just wake up in the morning, wash your face and apply this. So this will moisturize your skin as well, and also keep your skin protected from the sun's rays that come indoors. So it is a great everyday sunscreen. So that is it for today's video. Those were my favorite sunscreens and also some of the best sunscreens that are available in India. If you guys found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.